So we really truly feel that food heals. And I personally have seen this and I personally know this. So my son was very sick as a newborn, and I dealt with depression for many, many years. We eventually found a doctor that did some, like, dealt with the whole body. And he did a lot of testing, and we found out that me specifically, have some genetic mutations. So there's certain things that I need to do to combat these broken DNA SNPs, basically. So this doctor really helped us figure out those type of things, and eating organic food and just knowing that food can really truly heal you. And my son is doing fantastic. He is an essential part of the homestead, and he helps out so much, and he is just so strong and amazing. And I have been off of any type of antidepressants or any reliance on that kind of system for over 9 years. And I am so thankful for that. Can I get an amen from that, please? I thank you. So we really feel that food truly heals.